Hello and welcome back. Today we learn 12 very common English words. Simple words, useful words, words you can use every day. Listen first, then you repeat. Here are the 12 words. Go, come, here, there, home, work, sit, stand, walk, stop, now, later. Good, let's begin. Repeat after me. Go, go, come, come, here, here, there, there, go there, come here, go, come. Repeat after me. Home, home, work, work. I go home, I go to work, home, work. Repeat after me. Sit, sit, stand, stand, walk, walk, stop, stop, sit, stand, walk, stop. Repeat after me. Now, now, later, later, now, later. Now, listen. I go to work now. I go home later. Come here. Go there. I walk. I stop. I sit. I stand. Now speak with me. Go, come, home, work, now, later. Let us recap the 12 words. Go, come, here, there, home, work, sit, stand, walk, stop, now, later. Very good. You are learning English with me, one step at a time. I'll see you in the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.